look like it's supposed to come off.
Something would kind of give, right? Give you some indication of what's going on.
Yeah, we have no idea if I even took anything out that needed to be taken out.
It just makes sense. This is where we need to go, right? Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, I took two bolts off, which were almost just overly hand tied. I just got to get the screws, you know, get them started.
After spending an hour
and
trying
then,
to get screws off the back.
Yeah, and then go.
So now we can just take it out here like it said.
What you took off were just to the water valve.
Oh my God, that's
one at, anyway, there's another screw right there. Go get that screw off.
just spent an hour taking out screws that were a complete waste of time. What do you think of that, Chewy?
I know, right? I feel the same way. I feel the same way. I feel the same way.
Yeah, this is the water valve we gotta replace. Just gotta put the screws in.
Come on, catch.
You'd think so. That might have been. I think that might have been how I took it off.
Well,
go ahead and turn it on and let's see what happens. Moment of truth. Did we fix it? All right, turn it off.
what? Doesn't feel like it's binding. Go turn on the water.
All we gotta do is stop that one little leak on the valve.
Yep, we'll have it. Piece of shit.
No leak at all?
No water. We're good.
You're sure?
Yep.
That's a good 3 hours of, let's just call it shitty work.
Yeah, you can come with that for sure.
We did it.